decorations from Christmas. Let's start off with the bad boy. What's inside? Some of you guys might find this familiar. Whoops, I think it's backwards.
Oh, wow.
I think some of you might remember this Lego set already. Yate. What's this?
Wow. Wow, it's a big Lego set.
Yeah, some of you might already know this set. It's called the Arctic Explosion with an orca, aka my friend, 7 different people, a helicopter, a mini boat, a mini thing, and a big boat. And over here we have a crab and an anchor. So yeah.
Let's see how many back inside.
Yeah. So let's.
And now you want to open this one?
Yeah, this is the secret one.
Let's see, what is that?
I'm actually kind of excited because I don't know what this is yet.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, this is sticky. This is so sticky. Let's see what's inside. I know I need. Oh, I can already see what's inside. It's my what? It's a coat and a
Then
pant.
the whole set.
What is this?
All right, so let's open this one now.
Okay, that was. Oh my goodness gracious!
It's a big
bodacious.
boat.
I didn't expect it to be this ginormous. Oh my gosh!
Wow, it has so many bags in here.
Yeah, I can even see a bag now.
How many V for this set? How many pieces?
We got. There's the first bag. Where's the first bag? I lost track. Oh, here it is. 1 bag. 2 bags. Let's see. 3 bags. 4 bags. 5 bags. 6 bags. 7 bags. 8. 9 bags. 8 bags. Yes. 9 bags. And a few big pots.
Wow. And do you show the Lego set, the 2024, the one you built?
Yeah, and as you can see right behind me, we got all the Minecraft sets I have, including this Mario one. We even got some 2024.
Oh, so which
This-
one is that?
We got an Animal Circuitly and the Armory that we just got legit early.
Okay.
Bye. Thanks for watching.